Hello little learners, welcome back to Peek and Discover, the fun place where we learn something new every day. In today's exciting video, we are going to learn the numbers from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Peek and Discover. See you in the next video. Bye bye.